the Cultural Arts building. They're restoring. Oh, that's amazing. You can hear it crunching and cracking away and smacking and hammering away up there. Wow, that's the Harriet. Oh, look at how neat that copper dome is. Oh, that's a complete restoration. Look how neat the streets are. Boy, they really stepped up to the plate in West Palm, huh? We gave a honk of the horn for the... True Food Kitchen. Woo! Wee! You guys are good. Man against steel. How you guys doing, man? All right. Always clowning around until somebody gets hurt, huh? Turning vehicles. I'm getting out of here. I don't even... Tell you the truth, I do. The thing that's neat is I know right where I'm going. Most people would never be able to get out of there. And I simply pimply wreck it. And there's the old Kravis Center. I'm on Okeechobee Boulevard. And I am westbound. And here's where that incident happened with the Tesla Cybertruck. I just made a delivery. I'm so like hungry. I'm hangry. I didn't eat again as usual. Oh, more noisy and wet. Here comes my fire truck, buddies. Ready? Look how cool. Engine number 4. Wow. West Palm Beach. Engine 4. Engine number 4. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, enough of that nonsense. I gotta get something to eat before I fall on the ground. And I just have just the thing. Porridge.